It's good, people. David the Ring here. So, I had to freshen up, take the big ass hat off, and go get something to eat. I walked here for like 40 minutes, and it's funny. It was only like 2 miles, 2.5 miles. So anytime it's like that and it's 40 minutes, that really means that there's just too many turns. So here's where I'm at. My hotel is back there. But in these areas, have all these little quaint little spots or whatever. I'm gonna try to find something to eat. So here, so far, what I've seen on my way here is what I expected. Hookah, tea over here, restaurants outside, whatever. I expected that because if you've traveled throughout Europe, especially through the east, there's a lot of Turkish businesses in areas in Europe, so you just get that full vibe here, the complete vibe here, but it's not totally foreign. It's not totally foreign to what I expect. So I'll go up and down. I did see that a lot of businesses were closing too, which made me scared because I didn't know if it was a curfew. I didn't know if there was a curfew, but there are places that are open. So I'm gonna eat so then I could just move around the way I want to. Actually, I'll go up the block because I saw they had fish doner kebabs. If you ever see in New York City, they call all the food is called like halal. When you see Turkish businesses, it's gonna say doner, like doner kebab. It's pretty much like the same thing that you'll expect. Doner. You see it all over Europe saying doner. This, from what I'm looking at, is pretty cheap. It's pretty cheap for us. I'm looking for fish. Let me walk. I'll come back.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Just walking around. Just got here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. So friendly already. I don't eat meat. I stopped like 2.5 years ago, but I'm not gonna lie. I might come very close to trying the lamb. I love lamb, and Turks they know how to like cook it up. So I might come very, very close. Otherwise, I'll just stick with fish or whatnot. See, everywhere, it's like a bunch of choices. So let me get a good understanding. So if there's a meal that says it's 50 Turkish lira, that's about, I want to say it's like less than $6 for us. So you get that whole meal for like $6. So yeah, I'm gonna find something. Still see a lot of businesses open. I'll definitely find something that I can sink my teeth into. So I just exchanged $20 and I got back $184. So let me see what I can do with the $20. Obviously not tonight. I'm gonna get something to eat, but let's see how far that takes me. Let's see how strong the dollar is. Look at KFC. I saw Burger King too. So I just want to show you guys how lively it is in these type of places at night. I believe it's around 8 p.m. I think today is Thursday, not sure. But it's very lively. It's not that cold, but you definitely need a jacket. I have a denim jacket on. I'm still on my hunt to find some food. And I'm at a crossroads where I have to figure out what to do. I know how good Turks prepare lamb, but I haven't had meat in like 2.5 years. I had fish time to time, but I haven't had any meat. So I'm wondering, do I break that just to have that full experience when I'm here? And I miss that taste. I miss the taste. Can't wait to see what I'm gonna get into tomorrow. I'm just taking a side detour. And so here's what I'll say to you guys. Two things. Number one, these days, but for years now, it's been so helpful to use the GPS of the phone, because from the airport to where the bus dropped me off, it was over an hour drive, plus there was traffic. So once I got there, I thought it was like a 10-minute walk, but it wound up being like a 45-minute walk to my hotel for a short distance. So thank God my phone, I could use the GPS to get there. I remember long before this was possible, the pain it would take to get to where you were going. So that's that. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. I will be shooting much more content coming up with the GoPro, as well as a bunch of equipment tomorrow. Tonight is just eating, seeing how the nightlife is, and moving around as such. So if you have any questions, let me know now, and then I can incorporate it in tomorrow and the next day's videos. Till the next time, David the Rain, no frontier, over and out.